What's up, guys? Jeebs here, and today I'm coming to you live from the shores of San Martin. Saint Martin. Coming to you live from the shores of Saint Martin Beach and Island. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna give you my thoughts as an American tourist on this island for the first time. Here's our boat here, another boat here. That's the plan. James, do you have anything to add?
No. Hopefully finding a nude beach.
Yeah, we're gonna that's the main thing. We want to go to the nude beach. Right as we got off the ship, they're just peddling, pushing pictures in our faces. And they're really big on jewelry and all that type of stuff, which I have no interest in. So now we're gonna head on to the water taxi, which is only $7. And probably go over that way somewhere. Taking us to shopping, apparently.
And beaches.
And beaches, with beaches. Bitches at the beaches. By far the bluest water I've ever seen. The sad thing is we're just searching for Wi-Fi right now. Terrible tourists.
It's so we can know where to go.
Yeah. You're good. So we had some drinks, and now we're gonna head over to, what's the beach called? Orient Bay, where those planes fly.
No. That's Mayhem.
Where are we going? We're going to the nude beach. I was just saying to Jamie, think about your hardest day at work. There are people out here peddling and trying to make sales at restaurants in heat every single day, just constantly with tourists, constantly, because the whole island is, St. Martin is 16 square miles, and most of their economy is based off of tourists coming in here and spending money. So the fact that they're out here every single day pushing product, pushing restaurants, it's really impressive. I think, I have a bad day at work riding around in my ST with air conditioning on, so it just kind of puts things in perspective as well. Ooh, this is nice.
I really like this top.
I'd wear this. Thinking maybe a high-waisted G for me. It says a fun place to chill when you're in heat.
I know. Cheers. Some blonde hair.
The food here looks absolutely great. This beer is really good. Nachos, full wings. Life's good.
Tourist on the beat.
currently sitting at the beach. 2 chairs, an umbrella, and 6 beers or 5 beers for 25 bucks. Decent deal. One thing you have to notice though, and maybe this is something you come to expect from Jeebs, let's take a look at everyone else's umbrella. Got the green, blue, nice blue, green. Now here's the one that they pulled out of the dumpster for us. Very nice. The fabric has actually started to rust. I didn't know that was possible. So cheers. Cheers to that. Hey, here's one for you guys. This is a great beer.
Let's go. Water is beautiful, nice and chilly. Woo. Ben sent me off with the camera. He had the drone up in the air. And he gave me this and he said, go give him the female's perspective. And I don't know what else to tell you except that the water's blue. It's pretty. I think he would kill me if I dropped his camera in the water. I need to go find myself some rum. Talk to you later. Sent Ben to get me a pina colada because when else is it socially appropriate to drink a pina colada? Like I feel like you have to be on a beach outside of the United States in order for it to be socially acceptable to drink a pina colada because calories don't count on a beach, right?
So St. Martin so far, beautiful island as you can see by those drone shots. The water's perfectly clear, it's a nice temperature, it cools you off. But I will say, we wanted to go to the nude beach.
Let's go a little bit.
And we should have done that right away. The taxi ride over there, they started off at 25. We found another person that it would be 20 bucks. So 40 bucks round trip for both of us to get there. But it's like a 30 to 40 minute drive because the infrastructure here is not that good. It's only 5 miles away, but these roads are not like major highways. They're little side streets that are barely paved. So we ended up just not doing that. Just drinking.
We're gonna get nude on the public beach instead.
We're just gonna get naked on the public beach and see how that goes over here. But yeah, we're having a good time.
Hashtag free the nipple.
Free.
In case you're wondering, this is how Jeebs goes to the beach. What the hell is he wearing?
Sexy. You know she's sexy. You see?
So our day is coming to an end here at St. Martin. It's been a good day. It's been a good day overall. One of the deals that you have to get is it's like 25 bucks and you get 2 chairs, an umbrella, 5 beers, and Wi-Fi. It's beautiful. You sit at the ocean. What?
It's great.
It's great. So that's what I would suggest if you're coming here. That's the thing to do. There's not much to see in the shops. Just lay on the beach, enjoy yourself, and have a good time. Let's get together, and it's gonna be all right. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on the video. Jane, what else should they do?
Bell notification.
That's right, hit the bell notification. Make sure you're getting the updates as soon as they come out, and we will see you next time.